In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text when you hover over an image in Wix. This is a quick guide designed to enhance your web design skills and make your website more interactive. Let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Wix website editor. Once you're on the editor page, take a moment to locate and click on the plus icon. This icon is your doorway to the elements you can add to your website. Next, you'll want to hover over the image section. Here you have the chance to either upload your own image or choose from Wix's extensive library of free images. Depending on the aesthetic you're aiming for, either option could work perfectly. With your chosen image now in place, it's time to adjust its size to fit your website's layout. By resizing, you ensure that the image looks just right on your web page. Once you're satisfied with the image size, go ahead and click the plus icon again. This brings us to another critical step. Hover over the box category to reveal the hover boxes option. Here is where you can choose from a range of templates. Take a moment to select the hover box template that best fits your design vision. After selecting a template, you'll want to delete the pre-existing image within the hover box. Don't worry, this is a standard step to give you a clean slate to work with. Now move your initially chosen image into the now empty hover box. This is setting the stage for the next critical action. Click on the hover option. This action prepares the template to accept and respond to mouse hover actions. Follow this by clicking on Add to Hover, which will incorporate your image into the interactive hover space. Next, hover over the text category. This is essential because this will allow you to choose the type of text you want to display upon hovering. It's crucial to select a text style that complements your image and overall website theme. Clicking on Edit Text allows you to customize this further. Personalize your text to align with the message or information you wish to convey to your website visitors when they hover over the image. Now that you've added and customized your text, the final step is to click on Preview. This is a vital step as it lets you view and interact with the image and text, simulating the user's experience. Take this opportunity to note any changes or adjustments that may be necessary before you publish. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully created an interactive hover text feature for your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to enhance engagement and add a dynamic touch to your site. Don't forget to experiment with different images and text to see what works best for your brand. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing what creative ideas you come up with using this guide.